Welcome to The Pretty Fix, your ultimate online makeup resource. I know most of us have days when we're tired or just have no time to really get ready before rushing out the door. And if that's true for you, we have the perfect solution. A fresh and glowy makeup look you can do in literally 5 minutes. Don't get caught up in the idea that you need to use tons of products or take a ton of time if you want to look great. It's a total makeup misconception. It's all about doing a few really effective things that are going to make your natural beauty pop. This look we're creating isn't just simple though. It's an instant pick-me-up for your face and is a great go-to to have in your makeup arsenal. Let's get into it. Step 1, arm yourself. For this look, you don't need any makeup brushes, so you can totally rock it out on the fly. You should, however, have your favorite concealer, a black mascara, a cream blush, a cream or liquid highlighter, and a bright sheer lip, something like a tinted lip balm or a lip gloss. You can totally pull off this look with different products like a powder blush instead of a cream, but just remember that you might need some brushes if that's the case. Also, as far as colors go, choose whatever blush and lip colors you like. Just make sure that they have some color to them so that they brighten you up, because nude shades just aren't going to do the trick. Step 2, start the glow. If you really can't live without your foundation, go ahead and feel free to slap some on. But for the quickest way to boost your skin, we're just going to use some concealer and highlighter. Use a finger to pat concealer anywhere you need some coverage on your face. It's of course a great idea to do underneath your eyes, but you can also target any redness around your nose, any breakouts, discoloration, etc. Just use your best judgment. Then, pat a bit of highlighter onto the top of your cheekbones, down the center of your nose, and onto your eyelid. Now you've evened out your skin and given yourself an instant glow. Step 3, pop on some mascara. The highlighter on your eyelid acts as a really great substitute for eyeshadow because it gives you a little dimension there. So all you need to do is put on a coat or two of black mascara. Black mascara not only looks amazing on everyone, it also instantly distracts from dark circles and opens up your eyes, so you look perky and awake even when you're not feeling it. Step 4, create some sweet cheeks. Use a finger to pat a bit of cream blush onto your cheeks and then keep patting to blend it out so that it looks seamless. A lot of people look great with blush on the apples of their cheeks, but if you feel like blush looks better on the top of your cheekbones, for instance, trust your instincts. You know your face a lot better than you think you do. Step 5, swipe on a lip. For the final step, all you have to do is pop on your favorite lip and head out the door. Because you're using a sheer lip, you really don't have to worry about being precise like you would if you were using a regular lipstick or even a liquid lip color. It saves you time while still giving you that finishing touch that lights up your whole face. Thank you so much for tuning into The Pretty Fix. If you are digging this tutorial, please show us some love by giving this video a like, and then make sure you hit that red subscribe along with the notifications bell to see all the other amazing videos we have coming your way. Also, head over to our website at www.theprettyfix.com for way more expert makeup advice so that we can get started solving your beauty dilemmas.